Welcome, please come join us today as we dine at Lilong by Taste of Shanghai at Darling Square. It's located at number 1 Little Hay Street, Haymarket, Sydney. Xiaolong Bao is a very delicious, yummy steamed pork soup dumpling. The dumpling is very thin-skinned, rich in flavor of broth and tender pork filling, with the hint of sweetness and aromatic flavor. Be careful, don't burn your tongue when you eat the soup. It can be hot and very steamy. Crispy salt and pepper pork ribs, combination stir-fry noodles, scallop and prawn steamed dumplings, yang shao fried rice, very yummy and delicious. Pork and chive steamed dumpling, yummy. Zhang Jiao fried rice. It has a combination of ham, prawns, and peas and egg stir-fried together. Yang shao fried rice was nicely seasoned, and the rice was firm and fluffy, very yummy. Prawn and scallop steamed dumpling was very nice juicy dumplings. Has loaded with prawns and scallops and it melts in your mouth. Very yummy and delicious. Loaded steamed pork and chive dumplings. It's very nice, super delicious dumplings. It's loaded with pork and seasoned very well, bursting with intensive flavor of garlic chive. Very yummy and delicious. Salt and pepper pork ribs, crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. The short ribs are coated in an addictive salt and pepper seasoning that is finger-licking good. Very nice with steamed rice or fried rice. Yummy. Combination stir-fry noodles. The noodles was well cooked, still maintained its texture, seasoned it very well. The veggies are cooked just right, still crunchy, yummy. Prawns, mushrooms, chicken, beef. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and please click subscribe to help my channel grow. Thank you. See you again. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.